I'm sitting here in this beautiful seats. See the color combination. So people are working. They are going back to their home.
And our retirement benefits.
This is Fremont Station. Fremont is train station.
Mobile tickets should be activated just prior to boarding. Please keep your feet and personal belongings off the seats, always clear, and do not lock your bike to the rack. For those passengers located in our quiet cars, ACE asks that you please be considerate to your fellow passengers by refraining from all conversations, setting all electronic devices to silent and headset with the volume set to low. ACE thanks
This
you
is
for your
Fremont.
cooperation. Please take a
Fremont.
moment at some point during the ride with us to familiarize
Which we
yourself
have
with
stayed
your
in
located
2021.
level of each car-labeled emergency
4
evacuation.
nights.
Being familiar with our evacuation procedures will greatly increase our ability to safely evacuate the train in the event of an emergency. Next scheduled stop, Pleasanton Station.
This is beautiful. We can see the highway from the train.
I'm just thinking out loud. So because
It is a golf.
we will be always in a kind of a time crunch and in a moment of rush.
People are playing golf here in this golf town.
Please,
It is Dublin Pleasanton. It is not Dublin, it is Pleasanton. So next stop for this train is Pleasanton.
you know, even some information.
See the beautiful golf course.
But in other places, when you go there, we can discuss more tomorrow, but unless we can something else, we are doing now. And probably anything comes from the unity.
Downtown stop. Please display your ticket at all times. Tickets should be activated
This
just
is
prior to
Pleasanton.
boarding. Please keep your feet and personal belongings off the seats, always clear, and do not lock your bike to the rack. Next scheduled stop, Livermore Station.
Next stop is Livermore.
Outside of I suspect if they're working late,
This is
adding
Livermore.
value.
There is a temple in Livermore.
The first two cars in the direction of travel. Please make your way back through the indoors if you wish to get off the
Because if
station.
you keep on, I mean, the whole it will always look for a point. That is the main point. Or you can go with the date. Date is again different from the situation.
is ready for the people to take from here.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Good afternoon and welcome aboard the Altamont Corridor Express. This is ACE train number 4 with the final destination of downtown Stockton. Please display your ticket at all times. Mobile tickets should be activated just prior to boarding. Please keep your feet and personal belongings off the seats, aisleways clear, and do not lock your bike to the rack. Next scheduled stop, Vasco Road Station. As a reminder, the first 2 cars in the direction of travel will not be moving. Please make your way back through the indoors if you wish to get off at the station.
as a new problem, then
This is Tracy station.
Good afternoon and welcome aboard the Altamont Corridor Express. This is ACE train number 4 with the final destination of downtown Stockton. Please display your ticket at all times. Mobile tickets should be activated just prior to boarding. Please keep your feet and personal belongings off the seats, aisleways clear, and do not lock your bike to the rack. Next scheduled stop, Lathrop Manteca Station.
Lathrop is old. So River Island started after COVID. See how beautiful it is. All are villas, like Spanish villas. This is a highway. 95 next 4 exits. Cut down this from this train. See the rush. So all are coming from San Jose, Fremont. So Telugu people, Indian people, we can see everyone. So I was sitting with that person. He's a Telugu guy. Came here in 2007 to do his masters. So Telugu. వీళ్ళు కూడా తెలుగే. These people are also Telugu. This is Ace train. So I have also completed Ace train journey. So it was good, excellent. But this is a bit slow compared to Caltrain. Caltrain is a bit faster, free parking. So all Ace train stations have free parking except Fremont and San Jose because they are in downtown. So their parking space is less, but here parking is free. So just they come here, park the cars, and they take trains from here. So morning 4 trains and evening 4 trains. They come from San Francisco. Morning they go from here to San Francisco. San Francisco means San Jose, not San Francisco. Fremont and San Francisco. Fremont and San Jose. So this is the Lathrop and Manteca station. So first train is at morning 4:30. Next 5:30, 6:30, 7:30 like that. 7:50 I think is the last train. Morning. So evening also same. So from I think 5:30 is the last train from San Jose to this place, Lathrop, Manteca. So now I am going to River Island from Lathrop station in my cousin's car.
Continue on
Cousin's
McKinley
friend has
Avenue
come.
for 1 mile.
So this completes my journey. This is a beautiful playgrounds. Anil playing cricket here. వెళ్దాం పా మరి ఒకసారి. క్రికెట్.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Bosch Avenue.
This is River Island. Came to River Island. It's only 10 minutes, 15 minutes from Lathrop. See the beautiful houses.
ఆస్ట్రేలియా రాసిస్తున్న దానికి నేను కుక్ అంటాం. మనం గ్రౌండ్ తీసుకోపోకుండా ఎట్లా తీసుకోపోతున్నాం.
These are beautiful playgrounds in River Island. See, so they have everything. Even they have put seating areas for the people to sit and enjoy. Beautiful houses there. So my cousin is playing cricket. So normally, so you can see baseball. Normally people play cricket matches during the weekends. Now they are practicing. So these people are playing number 1 game sport in US, baseball. Rugby coaching, I think. Sorry, baseball coaching, not rugby. So here they are playing cricket, but far from here. I have to go all the way there. I think these are house moving containers. So like packers and movers. So these people are also playing rugby here. So here only cricket. Only one team is playing cricket. I mean few people. Everyone else is playing baseball. I can't see my cousin here. Oh, he's there. This is River Island neighborhood. These are all playgrounds.
In 1,000 feet, turn right toward Wyland Boulevard. Turn right toward Wyland Boulevard. In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, continue straight to stay on Wyland Boulevard. Turn left onto Tacoma Drive.
మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.